Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Otterhome token. Ticker symbol is HOME. This token is just about to be listed tomorrow on a big central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on the HOME token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Otterhome token will be listed June 13th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc global account, because that's where this token is going to be listed, I do have an Mexc global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search HOME, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So like I said, June 13th, 12 o'clock UTC time, this token gets listed on Mexc Global. So Otterhome is a decentralized finance, a DeFi project built on Arbitrum Layer 2 network, aimed at providing decentralized trading and liquidity provision similar to Uniswap. So if you've used the decentralized exchange Uniswap before, then you would know what I am referring to. Now, they do have a full web page that you can find at otterhome.finance. And like I said, this is on the Arbitrum blockchain, so they do have an Arbiscan. They have a Twitter at Otter_home, and they have a Telegram at Otterhome_ANN, and they also have a full white paper that you can find at otterhome-whitepaper.getbook.io. Now, according to their Arbiscan, right now they only have 632 holders, 1,384 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 10 billion tokens. So their Twitter, which you can find at Otter_home, has 54,600 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on Twitter. It says, make Otterhome your DeFi oasis. Trade with ease and swim with other otters. Now, their document section has all the information you need, otterhome-whitepaper.getbook.io. It says here, what is the Otterhome swap? Well, it's a seamless decentralized exchange, a DEX, on the Arbitrum network, powered by cutting-edge technology. Otterhome swap brings easy-to-use and low-cost DeFi with complete Ethereum security to more people. So their future vision here, it says, our vision for Otterhome swap is to build a one-stop shop DeFi hub that is totally seamless and easy to use with innovation features. We aim to bring user-friendly and accessible DeFi products to more people, even those who have never heard of Ethereum, on the scalable Arbitrum network. Our protocol is designed to be the exchange layer and a solution to liquidity on the Arbitrum network at a protocol level. So the protocol is fully open source and composable, removing the barrier to integrating and embracing the Arbitrum ecosystem. So Liquidity Book is an innovative AMM protocol that prioritizes high capital efficiency. The protocol includes the following features. So zero slippage. Liquidity book allows traders to swap tokens with zero slippage within bins, providing a smooth and seamless trading experience. Also, dynamic fees. So liquidity providers can earn additional fees during periods of high market volatility through a surge pricing, providing an additional incentive for liquidity provision. Also, high capital efficiency. So liquidity book supports high volume trading with low liquidity requirements, making it an attractive option for both traders and liquidity providers. It's got flexible liquidity, so liquidity providers can build flexible liquidity distributions according to their individual strategies, giving them greater control over their liquidity provision. To realize Otterhome, we need to focus on the following key components: smart contracts, front-end interface, integrate Arbitrum SDK, liquidity mining, and auditing and security. By implementing these key components, we can build an efficient, secure, and user-friendly decentralized trading platform based on the Arbitrum Layer 2 network. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to evolve, Otterhome can provide users with fast transaction speeds, lower fees, and a better user experience. So there is governance involved here. They do have a governance model, voting process, governance rewards, and you can check all that out on their document section. Now the home token, if you are going to buy this off a decentralized exchange, there is a 3% buy and sell tax, so you'll probably have to adjust slippage, which you won't have to do on Mexc Global, so that's an advantage for Mexc Global there. Now how the token is split up here, it's 30% goes to the IDO, 5% goes to team allocation, 10% goes to institutional investors, 10% goes to staking rewards. So you'll be able to stake this token to earn more tokens, more rewards. 15% goes to development, 10% goes to launchpad rewards, 15% treasury, and 5% early stage marketing, for a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now, on their document section, you can learn all about the swap, the focused liquidity, liquidity mining, dynamic fees, integrating Arbitrum SDK, proposals and voting for governance, their mission, IDO, the home token tokenomics, their staking program, development, their token unlock schedule, and the treasury. You can learn all about that at otterhome-whitepaper.gitbook.io. And you can find this token newly listed on a big central exchange with over 6 million users starting tomorrow on June 13th at I think I said 12 o'clock UTC time. I lost the page here, but that rings a bell. 12, yes, there it is. 12 o'clock UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.